All right, this stuff's called Glyco Prep. It's now 4 p.m. I've already had 2 glasses of it, but I think I could have a bit more. I've got to drink this whole 3 litres, and you've got to do it every 15 minutes until it's gone. It's 3 litres of well, what do you call that stuff that makes you poop? I'm just down in it. Laxative. It's laxative. It tastes all right. It's a bit like some sort of Gatorade or something like that, lemon lime or something like that. Not bad at all. I don't think, well, 3 litres is a lot to drink a glass of every 15 minutes till it's gone. But tastes all right. Alrighty. So Sam's a good man. He was up at 6:30 this morning prepping all this stuff. Let's keep drinking it. Okay. I have to use this. Hard to film one-handed and do these things. Okay. Let's get it down. I'm gonna have to do this slow. So I can handle it at the moment. No, I'm gonna have to wait another 15 to drink more of that. You drink it every 15 minutes till it's gone. I gotta wait, I'm too full.